Well, good afternoon folks, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, we've ended up here in Edinburgh. It's been a while since I've been over the border. Look forward to sharing the next 24 hours with you. With that being said folks, let's go to our hotel, get checked in. Look forward to giving you a room tour. In the meantime, let's get this show on the rails. Right folks, welcome to the Travelodge here near Haymarket station. One of the smaller ones that I have stayed in. Got the usual basic amenities such as a telly, tea and coffee making facilities, and obviously the double bed. Anyways folks, with that being said, I look forward to showing you a couple of clips from our stay here in Edinburgh for the next 24 hours. In the meantime, you take care for now, and I will catch you real soon. Well, good morning folks, and welcome back to part 2 of our Edinburgh adventure. As you can see, we're standing outside Edinburgh Zoo. I've been here before, but many years ago. One of my favourite zoos, and I really look forward to showing you around. With that being said, let's go and explore the zoo, and I'll catch you real soon.